As we all know, we live in a democratic country and we have right to speak on any topic, and mostly we do in our home or we discuss with a friend. But most of the person doesn't know the meaning of democracy. Do you know? Oh, what is this? So, what do you think about that? So, I really want to know your opinion about that. For my perspective or opinion, is really not democracy. यह democracy कतई नहीं है. So, today's our topic is, yeah, you are absolutely right. The most controversial topic, the politics, huh? And I think you also see the thumbnail and you understand. You got to know. मैंने लगाया ही इसीलिए था. So, back to the topic, we all know our BJP government completed their 7 year in central, and we talk about pro and cons of this government based on people opinion. People simply means you. When this video will completed, I want to know your genuine opinion about that. So again, back to the topic, the 7 year. That's really too much, huh? I think you're not forgotten the 2014 rally, the great election. Yeah, अच्छे दिन आएंगे. And especially one party told us, good day, welcome. But we know our elected government completed its 7 year. And you know that in India, if four man is sitting together, they will have five opinion. अगर चार लोग बैठेंगे तो पांच तरह की बातें सामने आएंगी, पांच तरह की विचारधारा. Yeah, I just discussed with so many person and what I find it is completely shocking. All men have their completely different or unique opinion. And I'm damn sure that you people also have a different opinion. तो चलिए बात करते हैं कितने अच्छे दिन आए. The first point is the petrol diesel price. मतलब यार ये तो मजाक चल रहा है. अभी तो सिर्फ 100 रुपए हुए हैं. अभी रुको, अभी और अच्छे दिन आने बाकी हैं. So, what do you think about petrol diesel prices? Have you had a good day? As I said it, it totally based upon opinion. Then it up to you whatever you think. And one thing more, even price of vegetable also increasing. It's time for second achievement of this government, Lord Ram Temple. It is a very controversial decision taken by the Sarkar. So, this decision is right or wrong. I really don't want to talk on that, but I really want to know your opinion about that. So, please comment it below. So, it's time for third one, Article 370. Abolishment of Article 370 is a historic decision. So, what do you think about that? It's a failure or achievement for government and obviously for us also. Although most of the people think that it's a failure, maybe opposition party, but I'm not really sure about that. I'm just kidding. Yeah. अरे भाई मजाक कर रहा हूँ, नहीं तो मेरा चैनल बंद हो जाएगा. And the next point is the unemployment, the बेरोजगारी. Most discussed and related topic that you can really relate yourself. And the unemployment increasing day by day, but government not doing anything for that. Report says that only 1 or 1.5% job are remaining in public sector. That's really very interesting. So, how you get the job? Yeah, of course, the in public sector. And I really want to know what's your B plan. So, please comment it below. I really want to know. Thank you very much for giving me your precious time and we meet on the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed.